this video, I'll guide you through how to permanently remove a game from your Steam library. If you're looking to clean up your Steam library by removing a game you no longer want, you've come to the right place. Whether it's a title you never play anymore or something you simply don't want appearing in your collection, Steam provides a way to remove it from your account. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process so you know exactly what to expect before making this permanent change. To get started, open the Steam application on your computer. If you aren't already signed in, click the Login button and enter your account name and password. Take a moment to verify that your login details are correct before clicking Sign In. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll arrive at your Steam homepage, where you can access your library, the store, and all of your account features. Next, click on the Library tab located near the top of the Steam window. This section contains every game associated with your account. On the left-hand side, you'll see your complete list of games. Scroll through the list until you find the title you want to remove. Once you've located the game, right-click on its name to open the context menu. From the available options, hover over or click Manage, then select Uninstall. This removes the game from your computer, freeing up storage space. However, it's important to understand that uninstalling only removes the local installation. The game will still remain in your Steam library and can be downloaded again later if you choose. A confirmation window will appear asking whether you'd like to proceed with the uninstall. Confirm the action and allow Steam to remove the game from your device. If your goal is to permanently remove the game from your Steam account, there's one more step. Return to your library, right-click the same game again, and open the Manage menu once more. This time, choose the option labeled Remove from Account. Steam will display a warning explaining that this action permanently removes the game from your account. Take a moment to read the message carefully and make sure this is what you want to do. If you're certain, confirm the removal. Once confirmed, the game will no longer appear in your Steam library as part of your account. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully removed a game from both your computer and your Steam account, helping keep your library organized and focused on the games you actually want. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more Steam tips and tutorials to get the most out of your gaming experience.